Hello my creative people, I welcome you in this mind-blowing tutorial video where I'm going to show you guys how you can design a simple M logo like this one you're seeing the screen. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create this. Alright, and this logo is basically created using shape. Alright, so this is just a simple logo you can design for a client or anybody, or you can just learn it so that it will improve your logo design. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, or if you're just watching my video for the first time, I welcome you in my amazing channel where I drop video every time on graphic design, and you will learn a lot if you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe right now for you to get more notification anytime we drop more video. Alright, so in this tutorial video I'm going to show you guys how you can design this simple M logo. Alright, so let's start. The first thing we are going to do is just go to shape. Alright, let me resize this small again. Alright, it's okay like this. Then keep this one this way, keep it this way. Then the next thing is to come back to shape, but before then let's give this a color. Let's give this shape a color which is going to be a black color. Then we go back to shapes again. Then we are going to import a triangle shape. I hope you see what I did. Click here for you to select the shape you want. Then we are going to make use of this one. Alright, we'll click on it. Then we are to rotate this using this place. Rotate it like this. Then increase this. Okay, I think it's okay now. Then use it like this. Alright, it's okay. Then the next thing is to merge two of them by clicking here. Then just see the simple way to merge. Click on this. Then you're going to check mark these two, which are the ones that you're going to merge. Then the next step is to click here. Alright, so just learn this because we are going to merge a lot. We are going to merge a lot in this tutorial video. Then you come to erase color. Let's remove the white part on the button. You can increase the tolerance more. It's okay. Then we are going to copy this shape, this one, copy it. And this one we copy it. We are going to put it on a white color. Alright, on a white color. Then before then let's move this one upward. Then we are going to place this one in this way. I want to place it this way. Alright, I think it's okay like this. It's okay like this. Then let's merge again. Alright, and I hope you know the procedure to merge. It's just simple. Alright, then we go to erase color again. Then on the button you can increase the tolerance again, and it's okay. Then come to shapes again. Alright, we're going to make use of shapes only in this design. And if this video was helpful and you like it, please give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so you're going to rotate to get something like this. Alright, then we are going to merge again. So we are going to merge very well in this design. Everything is about merging and going to erase color. Just follow the step, you understand it. Alright, then the next thing is to copy the shape. Copy it like this. Then you are going to just go to crop. Then you're going to click on this. Then this one you have to place it this way. Place it this way so that it will be equal with this. Alright, I think it's okay. Let's lock the first one, which is this, so it won't be moving. Alright, so now the next thing we are going to do is to go to shapes again. And then we are going to erase some part of this, which is going to be here. Alright, so you keep it like this. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Keep it something like this. Then you can now use position, so we drag it up. Alright, then we are now going to merge by clicking here. that is this first one, and this, that's the one we are going to merge. Then go back to erase color again, then erase it. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do now, let's lock the shape. Then the next thing is to get the same height as this one. All right, so let's go to shapes again, then let's stretch this so we get something like this. This is position, so equal, I think is equal now, and let me bring it down small again. Okay, then the next thing is to bring this one back like this, then you can now drag it down. I hope you get what I did. Then we are going to merge again, and we are going to merge this and this. All right, then come back to erase color again, then erase it. It's okay. Then the next thing we're going to do now is to get these sharp legs. All right, so you come to shape again, import a shape, then rotate to get something like this, Let's lock other shapes so they won't move, and keep it this way. Yeah, it's okay. Then copy this shape, then rotate it like this. And keep like this. Alright, so now let us merge. Before then, let's reduce this one. And also make sure you keep this in the right position before merging. I think it's okay now. Alright, so we are going to merge now. You click here. Then this is how you are going to merge this and this, then this one, and then this one. Alright, so those one and this one, merge them first. Then you are going to merge this and this also. Alright, then you come to erase color, remove this one, then we are going to remove this one also. Alright, then next thing, go to shape again, let's make the color black. Then we are going to reduce it so it will enter into any black area in this shape. Just keep it like this, can be very small like this. Then we are going to merge it, which is going to be this and this and this. Alright, so that the one that we're going to merge. Then import another black shape. This is because we're going to apply texture so that it won't look scattered. Then keep it like this, then this and this. Alright, I hope you're getting the last one, and then the shape. Okay, then let us apply our texture to it. So let's apply texture to this one. Right, so we are going to apply a silver and a golden texture to this, and you can get this texture using your Pinterest app. Alright, so you just go to Pinterest, then download the texture, and I'm going to make use of this. It's okay. Then let's apply texture to this one also. Alright, so it's okay like this. Then the next thing we're going to do is to merge the two shapes now. I'm going to click on this and this. So I'm going to merge the two now. Then after that, maybe you can now reduce to something like this. Then the next thing we're going to do is to apply 3D shape. I hope you get what I clicked on, 3D shape. So you on the button, then reduce this depth to something like 4. Then the darken, increase the darken small. And the next thing we're going to do is to come to this impose. Alright, click on it. Then we're going to reduce the bevel. But in case if your own looks scattered when doing this, just know that it's a normal thing. All you have to do is either you reduce the size or increase it. So let me reduce the size of this so you see that it will look scattered now. You can see. Alright, so the best way to overcome this or to prevent this is to increase the size until you get it correctly, and this is it. Alright, then the next thing is to reduce your bevel. Alright, let's reduce to something like 9. Then this ambient light, reduce it small, and intensity, you can increase the intensity small. Alright, I think we are done. Then go to shadow, apply shadow to it. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing we're going to do, which is the last thing, is to get our background. Alright, so you click here, then we're going to click on color. Then we're going to make use of gradient. So let me show you. We're going to make use of gradient and not color. So you click on gradient. Then next thing you are going to do is just click on this plus sign. So I will select the color we want. Alright, this is a default one already, so we are going to select color, and here it shows dark, here is darker, and here is lighter. Alright, so this place that is lighter, the color is for this, and this place that is dark, the color is for this. So I want us to change the color of this dark area. Then when you click on it, then you're going to click on this color icon here. Then I'm going to select a pure black. Alright, now the next thing is to click on this one. Now after clicking on it, then you click on color icon again. So I select the color, and I'm going to use a light black, light something like for the center, and I think this is okay. Alright, so you click on OK. Alright, so I think this is cool. Alright, then the next thing we're going to do is just go to text. Alright, let us add a text which is just going to be M logo. You cannot, if you want, you can leave it. Alright, M logo, keep it this way. Then go to style. I want us to add a bold style to it. Click on style and give it a bold style, which is this one. Alright, I think this is okay now. Let's keep it like this. Alright, so you can now go ahead and save your work. Let me show you something. When saving as image, if you want to save as image, then it will go to your gallery, or if you save as project, it will be saved in this PixelLab app. So click on save as image. Let me show you something. Before you save, make sure you click here, and you have to select ultra. Alright, you have to select ultra, then click on ultra. Then you can now go ahead and save to gallery. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and I appreciate you for staying to the end of the video. Alright, so if this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe if you have not, and make sure you share this video. Give this video a thumbs up before leaving, and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the tutorial. See you in the next video.